The pool's open. So we've been sitting out here for 30 minutes at the Washington Rec Center waiting for lightning to clear so they can reopen the pool. Right as we showed up, they closed it. It does look stormy, but we'll see how long they keep the pool open. So we totally have thought to like come to different pools today. And we come to this one because it's indoor, like 90% indoor. Never thinking they'd close it for the lightning, and they did. Well, wish us luck. We're gonna go have some fun. There we go. That was awesome, Brock. Hey, give me 5, dude. That was sweet. Oh, I can't reach it. You gotta go faster. Faster. What's wrong? Go faster. What's your problem? Yeah. Should we do it again? Oh, there's a little buggy right there. Good job, Rocket!